everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the Sea Urchin Scrubby. This is a very textured, very easy crochet scrubby to work. I love working crochet scrubbies. They're a very practical item for my own home, and they also make great gifts or stocking stuffers for others. So this is our Sea Urchin Scrubby. For the tutorial today, you're going to need two different types of yarn. I will be working in the Red Heart Scrubby yarn, which is a polyester yarn. You're going to need about 30 yards or so for your scrubby. You're going to pair that with a worsted weight cotton yarn. I'll be working with the Bernat Handicrafter yarn. Again, you're going to need about 30 yards. You're also going to need a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. And the links to these items can be found in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to say hello down in the comments. And take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. So for our scrubby today, I'm actually going to switch into this solid color green. I had started the video tutorial in that pink multicolored, and it just seemed to get lost as I was working the stitches. So I'm hoping this will be a little bit clearer to see. So you're going to start by taking your scrubby yarn and your cotton yarn, and you're going to hold them together. You're going to work with them side by side all the way through the project, always working with both strands. At times it is a little bit challenging because the stitches are close together, but it does get easier as you work with the yarn held together. You're going to start by making a slip knot. We're going to start at the center of our scrubby, and you're going to start by chaining 2. You're then going to work into the second chain from your hook, and you're going to work 6 single crochet stitches. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so this is for round 1. 6 single crochet stitches all into that second chain from your hook. After you have your 6 single crochet stitches, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of that first stitch. Now do not turn your work. We're going to continue working in the same direction. For round 2, we're going to be working 2 stitches into each stitch all the way around. Start by chaining 1. And then into your first stitch, work a single crochet and 1 triple stitch, both into the same single crochet stitch. You're then going to repeat that into each stitch all the way around. Into your next stitch, single crochet, followed by a triple stitch. Repeat this all the way around. As you're working, you should start to see the texture forming on the other side, which is created by these triple stitches. Into your next stitch, single crochet and triple stitch into the same stitch all the way around. Once you come all the way around, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first stitch. You will have a total of 12 stitches. This is the back side of my scrubby. When I turn it over, you'll start to see that triple crochet texture coming through on the other side. Now for round 3, we're going to chain 1. Once again, continue working in the same direction. For round 3, you're going to begin by working a single crochet into your first stitch, and then into your next stitch, you're going to work a triple stitch, followed by a single crochet into the same stitch. You're then going to work a triple stitch into your next stitch. Followed by a single crochet and triple crochet into your next stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around. So you're going to have a couple of things happening. For this round, you'll have a pattern of one stitch in one stitch in the next stitch, followed by 2 stitches in the next stitch. And you'll also be alternating your single crochets and triple crochets all the way around. So I've worked a single crochet and triple into that same stitch, that next stitch. Into your next stitch, you're going to work a single crochet, and then into the next stitch, a triple crochet, and a single crochet into the same stitch. Triple crochet into your next stitch, followed by a single crochet and triple crochet into your next. Repeat that all the way around. When you come all the way around at the end of round 3, you'll have a total of 18 stitches. You're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first stitch. Chain 1. Now for round 4, we're going to single crochet into the first stitch, and then work a triple stitch into our next stitch. And then into your next stitch, work a single crochet and triple stitch, all into the same stitch. We're going to repeat this all the way around. Single crochet into your next stitch, triple crochet into your next stitch, and single crochet and triple all into your next stitch. Repeat that all the way around. Once you come all the way around at the end of round 4, you're going to join with the slip stitch into the top of your first stitch. At the end of this round, you'll have a total of 24 stitches. Now for round 5, you're going to chain 1, single crochet into your first stitch, triple stitch into your next stitch, single crochet into your next stitch, and then work a triple stitch and single crochet into the same stitch. Next, work a triple stitch into your next stitch, single crochet into your next, triple stitch into your next, followed by a single crochet and a triple stitch into the same stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Single crochet into your next stitch, triple crochet into your next, single crochet into your next stitch. Then work a triple stitch, followed by a single crochet into the same stitch. Work a triple stitch into your next stitch, single crochet into your next, triple stitch into your next stitch, followed by a single crochet and triple worked into the same stitch. Repeat that all the way around. At the end of your round 5, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first single crochet stitch. You'll have a total of 30 stitches at the end of this round. Now for round 6, you're simply going to chain 1 and then work a single crochet into each stitch all the way around. So in this final round, there are no increases. You're simply working a single crochet into each stitch all the way around. At the end of round 6, you'll continue to have a total of 30 stitches. You're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first stitch, and you can then go ahead and fasten off. You're going to take your yarn needle and weave in any ends, and then that is all there is to working your Sea Urchin Scrubby. So thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe if you happen to make the Sea Urchin Scrubby and share it on social media. Do be sure to tag Rich Textures Crochet. I always love to come by and admire your work. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.